Welcome to the Healthy Foods Family channel. Today we're going to talk about some healthy ideas that you can incorporate into your life to start being happy and healthy. Here are some healthy ideas. 1. Nutrient-rich snacks. Opt for snacks like fresh fruits, veggies with hummus, or a handful of nuts for a nutritious boost. 2. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Herbal teas or infused water can add variety. 3. Balanced meals. Include a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, and colorful vegetables in your meals for a well-rounded nutritional intake. 4. Regular exercise. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise into your daily routine, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. 5. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 6. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support overall well-being. 7. Social connection. Nurture positive relationships and engage in social activities for mental and emotional health. 8. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing activities like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to maintain a healthy mind. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to lasting improvements in health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.